I'm your extraordinary girl and welcome to Shippy Food Taste. And today I'm going to share with you how to make a perfect garlic rice. It's a traditional fried rice of Filipino. So if you want to know, watch that. So are you ready? So let me show you the ingredients.
Let's chop our chives or onion spring like this. Onion like that. It's better to have a white onion since I don't have available in my. Let's try this red onion. If you don't want red onion, then it's fine. Slice our 6 cloves of garlic. Kung onion natin is 25%, yung garlic natin is 75%. Lasang-lasa yung ano natin, garlic. Diba? Kasi nga, garlic rice eh. 6 cloves of garlic, half of onion. We have chives or spring onion, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 25 grams of butter. Cooked rice, na-rest na natin yan ng ilang minutes. Then we have sesame oil, black ground pepper, oil, then oyster sauce. Open your fire, adjust in medium heat.
Mainit na yung pan natin. Add oil.
A little bit.
Always just a little bit. Add garlic.
Make it brown. Just a little bit more of oil. Golden brown. Make sure your garlic dapat maging brown siya. Kasi yun yung sikreto para mas masarap yung ating garlic rice.
Then add our onion. If you don't like onion, then remove it. White onion is better kasi hindi siya ganun katapa. Only half. Then add our butter. Add our rice. If you want something more flavor, you can put some chicken. Ako gusto ko lang plain na garlic. Add a little of soy sauce. Black pepper. Oyster sauce. Then we have sesame oil. Sesame oil adds some flavor, okay? This is very easy and very simple. And the last one are garnish. Spring onion.
Very simple and easy.
So that's it. Luto na yung garlic rice natin. Wow! Napakabilis. Walang kahirap-hirap. Hindi mo lang ako napawisan. So, nakapaping na ako. Nilagyan ko siya ng sili. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga hangin. So, let's try it. Sesame, the butter are perfect combination with this. The garlic. Kanin palang ulam na. So, try this at home. Napakasimple, konting ano lang, ingredients natin, mabubusog pa. So, hope you enjoy guys. Hope nakapag-share ako ng magandang recipe para sa inyo. So, hanggang sa muli, thank you for watching Shippy Food Taste. Sa susunod na video, abangan nyo ako. Mas marami pa akong recipe na i-share sa inyo. Thank you for watching guys.